Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your Apple ID is signed into the device and iCloud contacts is enabled. This is the single gatekeeper. Once done, make sure you are on a reliable Wi-Fi network and unlock the device with its passcode or Face ID. If you plan to export, decide now whether you want a vCard, to sync back to a device, or to inspect contacts at iCloud.com. This early decision shapes the exact steps you'll follow next, so choose the final destination for your contacts. Now execute the sync or export. On a Mac, open Contacts, check Preferences right arrow accounts and ensure contacts are enabled for your iCloud account. The app will sync automatically. Alternatively, go to iCloud.com, sign in, open Contacts, select the entries you need, then use the settings gear to export vCard for backup or transfer. On an iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap your name, iCloud, and toggle Contacts on. Wait until the spinner finishes. These methods give you a portable export or a device sync. Finish by importing the vCard into the target app or let the sync device show contacts. On a Mac, double-click the vCard. On Windows, import into Outlook or People. If some contacts are missing, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, check your iCloud storage, and inspect the contact's sync status. This refresh often resolves unseen conflicts. Make sure devices run compatible OS versions and a stable network. If a single contact set is still missing, verify account filters and groups in the contacts view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.